Emily just placed the biggest order and asked for it to be packed on here, so let's pack it together. So to start with, she has ordered the Birthday Wishes Pamper Hamper. You guys are not going to believe how big of an order this is. I was going to pack it on live, but then Emily said she wanted it done in a video, which was just the cutest idea. So here we are. So the Birthday Wishes Pamper Hamper, you get pink shredded tissue paper. Look at the heart print socks. So cute. In they go. Then of course, birthday cake popcorn, a pink clay purifying face mask, a pink under eye mask, hot chocolate sachet, pink satin scrunchie, and some Viennese biscuits. And there's the first box done. Let's wrap this one up and get on to the second. Gift card, business card, Well-Stocked sticker, and the first one is done. I'm just going to label which one it is for her. And I'm going to have to wrap them up so that I can stick the labels on them so she knows which one's which. This thing is so heavy. There we go. On to the next one. Honestly obsessed with this order. The next one is the Self-Care Pamper Hamper, our classic. Tissue paper to start. Then we've got a very moisturising sheet mask. I know I say it every time, but the fluffiest socks. A gold under eye mask. 2 English breakfast teas. This is such a cozy care package. I love this one. Galaxy Smooth Milk. 2 vanilla tea light candles. And a mini bar of soap. How cute is that? And now let's wrap up her second box. Next one done for you, Emily. Next we have the At Home Spa gift box. This has been so popular recently. Quite a few people ordering this online. All the spa vibes you need, but from the comfort of your own home. I can see why. This one needs a lot of shredded tissue paper. To start, we have this cute little bottle of Epsom bath salts. A Relax and Feel New tea. I've actually been given these teas at a spa before as well. I've only just remembered that. That's so weird. Anyway, next we've got a very soft bamboo washcloth, the cutest little candle to light while you're having your spa evening, a scent bag which smells like a spa. It is heaven. And finally, a little bar of handmade soap. This one is lavender and sea salt. And there it is, the next box for Emily. Isn't this just the best order ever? I'm going to add in more tissue paper and wrap it up. Next up, we've got another classic here. One of our most popular boxes, the Ultimate Afternoon Tea gift box. A lot of ASMR vibes in this video. Tissue paper, butterscotch crunch biscuits, golden oat crumbles, Viennese wells, and chocolate cookies. Tea light candles, I've popped a little extra one in there for her. 2 white chocolate Lindor truffles, 5 English breakfast tea bags, and 1 little Feel New tea. And let's wrap it up. On to the last one, and this one is so cute. It goes in one of these tiny little pink boxes, a little bit of tissue paper, the cutest little bear socks. This is the mini bear hug in a box that is currently called I Love You Very Much. Valentine's inspired title there, but look at these little socks. In they go. Then a hot chocolate Galaxy sachet, a little English breakfast tea, and finally, look at this, a little bear hug bracelet. So cute to match the socks. Look. There we go, let's pack it up. Thank you, card. It's all in this tiny little box. How cute. And here are all of her boxes. Oh my gosh, this is just an incredible order. I'm going to see if I can fit them all in this bag. They fit And to say thank you for such an incredible order, Emily, and because it's Galentine's very soon, I'm going to add in one of our Galentine's smiley rose quartz beaded rings. That is a mouthful, but this is on its way to you. I'm going to pop it in this cute little bag for you, along with some lollies and of course a thank you card. Thank you so much, Emily. Such an amazing order. It was so fun to pack it in a video for you, and I'll see you all on live very soon, I'm sure.